Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Alessandro. Please like and subscribe. Today I'm going to talk with you about toothpaste and what we dentists are looking for when we're recommending toothpaste to all of you. There are a few things that I want you to consider when you're out and about and in the grocery store or pharmacy looking for toothpaste. And so I'll explain them to you as we go. First of all, I am looking for something on each package, which is this, the ADA seal. So if you see an ADA seal, you'll know that the product has been approved by the American Dental Association and that it is safe to use, that is, it does not cause harm. Now, other things that I look for. All of them will say that they do different things. They all fight cavities. They should have fluoride, ideally. But I personally like looking for something like this. Complete Care by Arm & Hammer is a great toothpaste. It is actually gentle on the teeth. It is not very abrasive. And it does contain fluoride, so it protects teeth and it fights acid. So I like Complete Care a lot. It's a great product, and I recommend it to my patients. I personally use it, and I like it, and the taste is good, at least to me. Now, other things to consider. It all depends on what's going on in your mouth, because you might have different things going on. For example, if you have gingivitis or swelling or bleeding of the gums, you might consider Gum Detoxify by Crest. We've found in our practice that it's been very, very effective. Again, ADA seal. So we found it to be very, very effective. And so I recommend it as a product because we've seen a lot of patients have their gum health improve using Gum Detoxify. Now, other things that I'm looking for. Well, if you tend to develop a lot of cavities, maybe it's time to ask your dentist about ClinPro 5000 or PrevDent 5000. Now, these are things that we can dispense. You can't find them in stores, but these will help. If you develop a lot of cavities, these are good for protecting your teeth. They contain a lot more fluoride than your over-the-counter varieties, and they are very, very helpful, not only for those who develop a lot of cavities, but also for those who have dry mouths. See, dry mouth means that your saliva is really not being produced, whether it's because you're taking certain medications that do that, or your body naturally can't produce much saliva anymore. So food tends to pile up on teeth, and then cavities unfortunately follow not long thereafter. So I'd recommend you ask, or maybe your dentist will automatically recommend it for you and offer it. ClinPro 5000, PrevDent 5000, one of those types. You can also use sensitive brand toothpaste. All of them work about the same in terms of their efficacy, so I wouldn't really sweat which one's better than the other one. They're all pretty effective. And, I like that because, the fact that they help you out and reduce cold sensitivity or hot sensitivity or both, it can be a real help when you're eating your food, which can cause that little zing that is very unpleasant. So, if you want to pick up your Sensodyne, great. If you want to pick up your Colgate or Crest Sensitive, great. Really the only determining factor is how good does it taste to you? Lastly, what I want to talk with you about is the whitening toothpaste. Do they whiten? Yes, they do. They are very effective at that. Why? Well, they're more abrasive. And so they wipe away the upper layer of enamel that you have, and they reveal whiter enamel underneath. Well, that's good if you like white teeth, but the problem is that you're wearing away at your enamel. So that's like an insulator and a protective layer. So you're wearing away at protection and at your teeth. So the longer you use them, the more wear you kind of, perform on your teeth, and the more damage you're doing effectively. So use the whitening toothpaste with caution if you're going to use them. I would really either use them for short term or maybe not even at all. So there it is. That is my presentation on toothpaste. And please like and subscribe like I mentioned before, and hope you are all staying healthy.